Dear students, you have already seen 2 videos of this topic. Today I am going to discuss about military cause. Military causes. All the Indian army were loyal to the British, but such type of situation created discontentment among them. कौन सा उन लोगों को ब्रिटिश का अगेंस्ट में जाने के लिए मजबूर कर दिया, उसको हम जानेंगे. फर्स्ट वन, इल ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ Indian soldiers. Indian soldiers, a large part in British Army. Here in India, Indian Army who were working under British rule. Ill treatment. Ill treatment means not treated well. कभी कभी वो लोग इंडियन सोल्जर का ऊपर किक भी देते थे. उन लोग को अच्छा खाना नहीं देते थे, अच्छा घर नहीं देते थे, अच्छा सैलरी भी नहीं मिलता था. इल हैड लो सैलरी, badly housed, and they were not allowed, just like keep beard or turban. उन लोग का जो ट्रेडिशन था उसका हिसाब से भी उन लोग को अलाउ नहीं कर रहे थे. देन नंबर 2, जनरल सर्विस एनलिस्टमेंट एक्ट. What is it? Some soldiers were allowed to go abroad for fight. लेकिन ब्राह्मण ये सब सम कास्ट का था, जो समुद्र पार करने से उन लोग का जात चला जाएगा, इसीलिए वो लोग जाने नहीं चाहते थे. But Britishers forced Indian soldiers to go abroad and join in their army. That things created enmity against Britishers. Larger proportion of Indians in the British Army. British Army. लार्जर प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ इंडियन इन द ब्रिटिश आर्मी. जैसे एक ब्रिटिशर्स 4000 इंडियन आर्मी में एक तो ब्रिटिशर था, तो इन लोग का इंडियन आर्मी ज्यादा रहने से इन लोग का मनोबल अधिक था, वो प्रेरणा दे रहा था. लार्जर प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ इंडियन आर्मी. Bleak prospects of promotions. Bleak prospects means इंडियन सोल्जर लोग को प्रमोशन नहीं मिलता था जिस तरह से ब्रिटिशर्स लोग को प्रमोशन मिलता था. इन लोग को सूबेदार तक प्रमोशन मिलता था और ब्रिटिशर्स लोग को हायर पोस्ट प्रमोशन मिलता था. That's why Indian soldiers were going against British. deprivation of allowances. डेप्रीवेशन ऑफ अलाउंसेस मतलब उन लोगों को अलाउंस नहीं मिलता था, घर से दूर रहने का बाद भी उन लोगों का उतना अलाउंस नहीं मिलता था. दे हैव नॉट गिवन द अलाउंसेस इफ दे रिमेन आउटसाइड एंड withdraw the privilege of free postage enjoyed by sipais. 6. Faulty distribution of troops. Faulty distribution of troops. ट्रूप्स का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ठीक से नहीं हो पाया था. इंडियन सोल्जर्स हेल्ड दैट in difficulty time Britishers used them, so they were going against Britishers. Poor performance of British troops. Poor performance in comparatively Indian soldiers, their performance were poor. Indian feel that Britishers army many times defeated by others. That things created feeling that they were superior than Britisher army. 8. Low salary. Even Britishers soldiers same work, they are getting 8 times salary of Indians. That thing hurt Indian soldiers and they were going against Britishers. In spite of this cause, immediate cause comes. Immediate cause. Enfield rifle, brown base rifle. Britishers change a new rifle that is called Enfield rifle. In Enfield rifle, one rumors spreaded that cartridge made up of cow and pig's fat, and when they use it, they bite and use it. That things hurt the sentiments of Hindu and Muslims both, because cow holy animal for Hindus and pig is the taboo animals of Muslims. That's why Muslims were also going against that. These things created dissatisfaction among soldiers, sipais, and first Barakpur in Bengal, one named Mangal Pandey he refused to use Enfield rifle, but after that when Britishers forced him, he shot dead to Britishers, and after that event started. At first Meerut, then Delhi, Lucknow, like that. In North India it spreaded like wildfire, and it created one type of feelings among Indians to fight against Britishers. Then we come to next point, consequence. In consequence, first end of the company rule. East India Company was ruling Indian people. After this event, company rule changed and it transferred to British Crown. And designation also changed. Viceroy Lord Canning. Lord Canning is the first Viceroy. Viceroy Lord Canning, they appointed, and before directors were appointed, but after that designation changed. Secretary like that post created by Britishers. Queen Victoria's proclamation. Queen Victoria's proclamation. She declared that Lord Canning was the Viceroy and sent India as Viceroy and follow the policy of non-intervention, treat all subjects, Indians and Europeans, as equal, grant general pardon to all those who had taken part in the war. Third one, end of Mughals and Peshwas. Mughals, when Bahadur Shah Zafar died in Yangon, after that its dynasty and Peshwas Nana Sahib when went to Nepal, at that time they are also dynasty end. Fourth one, relations with princely states. Relation with princely states who were loyal to the Britishers. Britishers put sympathy to them and doctrine of lapse, these are not allowed to them. They adopted some policy of divide and rule. Because their unity frightened to them, they don't want Indian would unite and fight against them. That's why they created divide and rule policy among Indians. They put the seed of discontentment among them. They were busy fighting among themselves. Such way they avoid to go against British, or they would not interest to go against them. Racial antagonism. Antagonism means they want to keep superior than Indian. That's why some park, hotel reserved for them. Foreign policy. 7. Foreign policy. They put the foreign policy like that way which protect and expansion. In that view, they ruled. Religious change. They don't interfere about the Indian religions because Britishers knew that Indian were going against them. The cause is some changes in the religion. That's why Britishers did not want to interfere about their religion. Change in army. Before that, Britishers ratio is less in Indian Army. They increased it 2:1 in Bengal, like that 2 Indians, 1 Britishers. And in other areas where most of the people going against them, their ratio increased. Rise of nationalism. But people of India have seen Mangal Pandey and some freedom fighters inspired by them, and Indian people's nationalism developed. But Britishers wanted to stop nationalism and they tried to suppress. They put measure to suppress them, widening gulf between Hindu and Muslims, and they wanted to create difference between Hindu and Muslims such that Hindu and Muslim never united and going against Britishers. After that, what are the drawbacks? This movement or this revolution never hit the goal because of lack of planning, and lack of leadership. Like that, it not succeed. And what historian told this event? Britishers told that it is Sipai mutiny, and other historians told it was the first war of independence because every walk of people joined in this movement. And Binayak Damodar Savarkar, one book, that book is The Indian War of Independence. The Indian War of Independence. In that book, he had written that as a planned war of national independence.